Welcome to the tutorial. I will show you how to use this After Effects template. To replace the monitor screen, expand 1. Edit Comps in the Project panel and double-click Placeholder. This will open the composition that corresponds to what will be displayed on the monitor screen. Next, import your content by dragging an element from your System File Explorer onto the workspace. You can use an image or a video clip if your presentation is meant to be animated. In the Placeholder Composition workspace, you can adjust the size of elements, move them to any position, and add additional elements. Now, let's return to the final comp composition to check the screen replacement effect. Important! The final comp composition is the final output, and this is the one you need to render. Now, let's move on to the settings. In the final comp composition, you will find the Clips composition on the timeline. Click on it and go to the settings in the Essential Properties panel. The Choose Animation option controls the selection of animation. You can choose from 10 different shots. There are wide-angle shots, close-ups, and various perspectives, allowing you to adjust the composition to best suit your content presentation. Wide shots provide a dynamic overview, while close-ups emphasize details. Different angles, such as side perspectives or low-angle views, help create a visually engaging effect. The template allows you to reverse the animation, giving you an additional 10 animation options. For example, in the case of the zoom-in animation, using the reverse animation function enables the zoom-out effect. The template is also designed so that reversing the animation does not affect your animated content on the monitor screen. That's everything you need to know about using this template. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.